stuff to it. You can do a banner here where you have pages. You have the divider or the button divider. Sorry. And you can do different colors. You can go to theme. You can change the color here. You can go to style. Welcome to another video. And today we are going to learn how to create a website using Google Site. So let's go. So you have some options, right? So if you're using your personal email, you can go to the Google app where you have the Google Site option. But one thing to remember, when you're using your personal email to create a Google Site, you don't find the option at the Google Apps section. You will find it, however, if you're using a Google Suite paid account. So let's go to the Google Suite paid account, and then you will see site located at the Google app. But if I go to my personal email, you won't be seeing that option. So I'm going to go personal because I want to do a sample personal without the Google Suite, all right? So I have to type in Google Suite. So let's go to the search engine and you're going to type Google Suite, all right? There we go. Then you type your site and then you can get different options at the top, but you can create from scratch, right? So I'm going to start a blank Google form or Google site. The first thing you want to do is label. So I'm going to give you an example. So I'm going to label my business. Say, for instance, the name of my business is Mar. Let me type quickly. Mar and More Enterprise. All right? Just giving you an example. Great. Then I can write anything that I want to write for my title. Maybe I can write here 100% natural honey. All right, just for typing sake. Okay, good. It really look really blonde, sorry. So you can put some twist to it. You can change the font for a different style of writing. You can change the color. However, we are going to do some settings, all right? So I can go and I can make a footer. So on each page, I can have a footer. So I want to put, say for instance, my slogan on this page. So let's open that option and I can type. So my slogan will be for now, a mix of nature makes a healthy blend. And I can big it up if I want, because I have the options. I can bold it. I can make it bigger. All right. Good. So every page that I create, I will have that option at the bottom for the footer. So I can do an image change. I can change the color. So I can upload an image, sorry. You Google site actually give you some different one that you can use from their gallery, or you can go to Google search. So I'm just going to use this one, select, and the font size or the background will change. If I want to upload a photo, then I go to image. So over this side, where you have insert, page, and theme, I go to insert, then I go to image, and I can upload an image from my desktop. Say for instance, I want to upload a photo of myself. It's going to fall here. I can drag it up, put there. It's not really that bright. So maybe I can erase that one. I can look for another one. Just for argument's sake. Looking for a random photo on my computer. Just give me a second. Let me find a photo. Great. All right. So I can drag this photo up to this page. So I can drag it up. See? I can drag it up. I can make it smaller. So you can use the cursor. You can make it smaller, make the image smaller. Actually cut off a lot of stuff here. All right, so let's see. Let's go to preview and see how that actually turned out. Maybe this one is too big, so I can close it. So these are some options that you can actually use to view your file. I don't think I like that one. So I'm going to erase that photo. Or maybe I made it a little smaller first before I drag it up. Let's do that. Or maybe I just cut and just do just the facial and not the entire body. Let's do that. Right, I'm taking off too much. So I use the undo button to go back. I want it to be at the side. I'm just dragging it up. All right, there you go. It's too big. All right, I'm going to crop it. I'm going to crop the photo. So let's crop it. My face. Good. And then I press OK. All right, I crop a little bit of it. Ah, there you go. So I have it now on my page. All right, great. Then I can add a page here. So this will be my home page. So for me to add a page, I can go to pages. Then I go to the plus sign at the bottom here, and I add a new page. Say for instance, I want to talk about preview or the history of my business. Sorry, history, history. Then a new page will appear. And if you notice, if I go to home page, I go back to the page in which I just create, or I can go to my history. And then I have the option again to change the font size. So let's go to insert and see if I can find an image. Go to insert, select, and I have the option to go. So maybe I want to find a Honey picture. All right, so Honey pictures, see if I can see. I like this one, select this one. Okay, the picture fall here. I can move it up. Good. So if I go to preview again, I can see on my page, my website is actually coming on. You have some option. You can view like a computer. You can go like a tablet view, and this will be a phone view. So this is how the phone will look if you're using a phone. This is how it actually look on the screen. If you're using a tablet, this is how the layout will be looking. And if you're using your computer, this is how it will actually look. All right, let's close the preview edit section, and you can add some more option to it. Say for instance, on my front page, I can put another photo as well. So I can go here, go to insert, go to image, go to select, and I can go for Honey as well, maybe this one, right? And I can see if I can drop it on this as well. See? Voila. See, we have some option going on. I can do an insert box here. So I can say, for instance, I have, let me go and see if I can insert an image. And go to my desktop. Let me go to insert, go to upload, and see if I can insert my logo or my label. And there we go. You can delete that one. If you want to have some more style to it, you can go to the content block where you can add some style. Here you go. So I can push upload again. I can go on my desktop, select that one. Can go again, select another. So you have two sizes. So this one will be the 700. So this will be the large. So large will be 2,500. And the small will be 1,300, all right? And then you can have like, so this one will be 750. So you have some details that you can type. 750 milliliter. Sorry, a milliliter. And this one is 375 milliliter. So these are some options that you can put. All right, so there you go. You can view like that. You can do a lot of stuff to it. You can do a banner here where you have pages. You have the divider or the button divider. Sorry. And you can do different colors. You can go to theme. You can change the color here. You can go to style. See, you have different option coming on. I love red. See, it's coming on to yellow here. I can change it to the red. The red is changing, see? So these are some options that you can do. You can add some pages, as I said, history. I can add a new page. Say, for instance, I want to do purchases. So I can link my PayPal here, and I can actually move anything that I don't want below. So for instance, I want home page first, history and purchase, or I can put purchase first and then history after, all right? So the option is endless. Good. If I want in history that I want to make a subtopic, I can select the button and I go to add a subpage, and a subpage will go. So from beginning, so I can put beginning right here. And I can say, for instance, done, it will go a subtotal off. So when I go to history, you will see an arrow button. If there's no arrow button going down, there's no additional page coming on. Good. This one don't have an additional page, and you can view here. All right. So because I'm creating a website, let me close here. You have to type in, if you don't want to use a free Google site website, because on my website now, I can go here where, say for instance, it's a school, it's not really a business for yourself. We want to create a website. You can go here to add to other persons. So other person you can add to your Google site. So other persons can work on the same project as you. Say for instance, you're the only owner, and the list goes on, right? You can add again, as I mentioned. Here, you'll go to publish. All right, so you'll publish. When you publish your website, it will give you the name of the site that you already created. So here I have Mar and More. So give me Mar-More-Enterprise, right? And this is a domain that you can use, right? So I go to manage. So you can publish your website if you are finished. And if you are not sure, you can go back to the arrow button here at the side and you can unpublish your website. Got it, right? So you can unpublish your website so nobody will be able to see, right? But when you go to publish, you will have this section say manage. So when you go to manage, you say custom domain. All right, so if you want to set up your custom domain, then you will type your name here. So my name will be Mar and Mar, let me spell everything in one, and More Enterprise. The only difference with this one though, because if you're going to do a custom domain, you have to purchase a custom domain. And or you can purchase, you can go to domain, go to a new tab and press domain Google. And when you press domain Google and you type in the name here, Samar, for instance, so I don't have a domain, I don't purchase one as yet. Domain Enterprise. And then you press get it, it will bring you to a page where you have to actually pay for a domain. So when you type in, say for instance, www.More Enterprise will appear, and you can pay if you want to end it with .com or XYZ or net or organization, anyone, but you have to pay, all right? So for me, I don't have one paid for, so I have to go the regular route. So I'm going to cancel. So for instance, if I want to publish as is, I would have to. All right, so because I don't want to pay or I'm not ready to purchase a Google domain, I can just use the Google site. So let me go back, go to the home page. Let me go to publish. When I go to publish, I need to edit. So because I've already published it, I have to make a change. If I make a change, then I can republish again. So when I go to publish, it gives me the draft, it gives me what I published before, and then I can make my update publish. So I go to publish, right? Let me go back and unpublish, because I want to get the website, the free website that you can use for your business as well. Go to publish again. Here, when you have More Enterprise here, Google site automatically give you a site by yourself. So here you have HTTPS site google.com view More Enterprise. So this will be your website. So if you're going to send out your website, this will be your free website. As I mentioned before, if you want to purchase one without the site Google in front of your name, then you have to go to manage, where you go to customs, and again, you know where to purchase. But for now, you can just use this one that is free. So if I'm going to send out my business, I would have to send out all of this address, this website address. That person will be able to see my work. All right, publish. If I want, however, to, all right, so now we actually get the drift, right? Say for instance, persons want to do a review, or you have videos that you want to post on to your site, that's fine, that's easy to do. So let's go and go to the history. I need to take out this page because I don't need this one. Let's view it again and see how it actually looks without it. Yeah, it looks fine. And if you notice, the logo is on all pages. See? Ah, there you go. All right, so let's go and close this preview and go to purchase. Let me go to purchase. I'm going to insert a button. Let's go to YouTube. Say, for instance, I want to find my channel. So Marissa, and I want to link a video. I can link it there. Marissa Unique. So if I find my video, and then I press insert, so the video will automatically come here, so you can see what is happening. You can play, or you can actually insert a page, and you can go to the link here, and I will actually go and paste my Google, my YouTube link right here. So if I go to my YouTube page, sorry, then I'll be able to link. You go to link here, and you'll actually paste the link. I don't have a link, no. You'll actually paste the link, and the link will appear here for you to open and view. All right, good. Don't want the video to be too long, so I hope you actually learned something today, and I hope that you actually share this link and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something today. Bye.